Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your graphics card malfunctioning where your graphics card is disabled or it's not working properly. So you see here the graphics card is not displayed and I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So the first method, maybe the last method if this will work, is we're just going to go to the device manager. Device manager, and then here, so you see there, that's my graphics card, and I'm just gonna enable this device and we're just gonna wait for it. Alright, so we have this warning. We'll try to disable it again. Yes, and then try to enable the device again. Alright, so it's working properly. So this is a software fix, but if it occurs again and again, it might be a hardware problem. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you. And this has been D from DLTV. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have a friend in need of this solution, maybe this can help. Peace out.